I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you tell if a niche has enough common mistakes topics to support a searchable faceless channel? Simple. Don't count ideas, count mistake clusters. Here's the framework I use. First, stage spread. Can you find mistakes at the setup stage, beginner stage, intermediate stage, and optimization stage? If all the mistakes are just beginner errors, the niche usually runs out fast. Second, object spread. Are the mistakes tied to different things inside the niche? Tools, products, workflows, buying decisions, settings, or strategies? The more objects the niche has, the more searchable mistake angles you can create. Third, consequence spread. Good mistake topics have clear outcomes people want to avoid. Wasting money, wasting time, poor results, broken setup, low performance, or bad buying decisions. If the consequence is fuzzy, the search demand is usually weak. Now the decision rule. Try to list 20 non-overlapping video ideas across 4 buckets: setup mistakes, buying mistakes, usage mistakes, and troubleshooting mistakes. Then ask, would a real beginner actually search this phrase? If you can get to 20 without repeating yourself, that's a strong sign. If you're forcing titles, it's probably not a searchable niche. And once you have those clusters, Satura is useful for turning them into a clean production queue. That's the filter.